Well, I couldn't see a video about how easy this is to do, so I thought, you know what, I'll make one. So all you need to do is get a set of pliers. All I've got, set of pliers, a little dull, pick, some copper grease, your new pads, a light and some brake cleaner. You don't need the light if you've got really good lighting, but you know, take your little clips out. That backing plate just comes out when the pins are out, so. And then just take, this is literally one-handed. I reckon I could do this in, two-handed I could probably do this in a minute. It's so easy. It's amazing, these brake calipers are fantastic. Are they the most powerful in the world? Well, no, it's not why they're amazing. They're amazing because just of the ease of this job. I mean, it's crazy. You can do this, you know, no fuss, in the field, just like, oh, my brake pads are fucked, in the middle of God knows where. Right, now, in terms of pushing the pistons back in the calipers, this is my way of doing it. So you've got the old pads still in there, you've got your pliers, and if you see on the brake pads, you've got these ridges, so just use them. Put your pliers in here, like that, and then just open the pliers, spread the pads, like, I don't know how I'm going to hold this. There, you might be able to see what I'm doing. And then just literally put your hand in there, and it takes a couple of goes, just pushes, oh shit, gone, right, and then just push the pistons back using the old pad, so you're not jamming a screwdriver into the, you're not jamming a screwdriver in there, you're not twisting it, you're not marking the brake disc at all. These brake discs aren't cheap, so, you know, for the sake of, what, 20 quid's worth of brake pads, don't run the risk of scratching and denting and bruising your very expensive Brembo brake discs, you know. So the brake discs last a lot longer than the pads, so basically just a bit more of that. I think I'm done there, so just take your fishing device and just bring out the pads. Come on, there you go. Why is this not? It's not really gone back in its much. Yeah, it's not easy with one hand. So yeah, basically just a bit more of that. Take the pads out, put the pads back in. So you could even use the pliers to clamp onto the caliper as well. So another way of doing it, put your pliers around the brake pad and the caliper and just squeeze. You know, you're not going to do any damage there. So there you go, push the pistons right back in, and then just wiggle your pads out, if you can, which I can't for some reason. They're sort of jammed. Why are they jammed? Come on, I'm trying to explain how easy this job is, and it's not being easy. Why is it? There you go. 1, 2. Braco pados. Now, I don't think this is bad. Look at this brake pad. This has done 12,000 miles, this brake pad. 12,000 miles. Now look at that compared to this new Ferodo sintered. Look at that. Doorstop. I mean, that's not bad, is it? 12,000 miles. Come on. That's pretty good. So touch of copper grease on there, have a little clean in there with a toothbrush, bit of brake cleaner, and then yeah, pop a smear of the old copper grease on there and the pins. Not loads, just a little bit, and then slide them back in. 5-minute job, if I wasn't talking. 5-minute job.